everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this mandala. I use 3.5 millimeters hook, 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. I use 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. Row 17. This is first stitch. Insert your hook into this stitch. Take a stitch from back, pull up yarn, slip a stitch. For make row 17, we go to make row 17. Add 1, 2 chains. In here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches in this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 in other side. Take last stitch of this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. From back, insert your hook, from back, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have 2 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, run this stitch from back of work. Go to next side, in other side, take first stitch. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches in here. Take first stitch. Insert your hook, from back, take this stitch on your hook like this. Pull up yarn. We have 2 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. Now we make 1, 2 single crochet in back of these stitches. Add 1, 2 chains. In here we have V stitch. Go to top of first V stitch in this hole. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, yarn over, go into this V stitch, insert your hook, make double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to top of next double crochet stitch into this hole, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, single crochet, make 1, 2 chains. I showed this stitch. Go to 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4th stitch. Insert your hook from back into this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next stitch. In first stitch of this side, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, single crochet. We have 2 single crochet, 1, 2 chains, and repeat. 1 single crochet in here, 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet, make a single crochet, 1 2 chains, and repeat, make single crochet, single crochet, 1 2 chains, go to here, make single crochet, and repeat like this row stitches for this round. We have 5 double crochet in here, 2 chains, 2 single crochet in back of work, 2 chains, and repeat. I make this stitch until here, in here, make 1 single crochet. We have chains in back of this stitch. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch. Row 18. Your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch. In here we have 2 single crochet stitches. Insert your hook into this single crochet, pull up yarn, slip stitch, add 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to next single crochet, make 1 double crochet. In row 18, start with 2 stitches, add 1 chain. In here we have 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet. Insert your hook into this double crochet stitch from back, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 back post, double crochet, add 1 chain, repeat, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, in next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet. I show we make 1 2 3 4 5 back post double crochet in top of this double crochet stitch, add 1 chain, go to top of this single crochet stitch in here, yarn over, go to first stitch, make add 1 chain and repeat, yarn over, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 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 1 double crochet, make a chain, go to this single crochet stitch, one double crochet, one double crochet, and repeat. For row 18, I made this round like this. Make a chain, go to top of first chains in here, a slip stitch. Row 19, in row 19, add one chain, go to here, pull up yarn, put through 2 yarns together, go to same stitch, make 2 single crochet in top of these stitches. In here add 1, 2 chains, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet around this stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull up yarn, hold this yarn in here, go to top of first stitch, insert your hook, take yarn, Aisha, add 1, 2 chains, go to next stitch, make like this stitch around this stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, go to top of this first stitch, take this yarn, add 2 chains. We make this stitch 2 times, go to top of 1, 2, 3, third double crochet. In here we make 1 chain, after this stitch make 1 chain, go to top of third stitch, make 1 double crochet, add 1 chain, 1 double crochet, make a chain. We make 1 V stitch in top of third stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5, go to top of first stitch, make 2 chains, go to next stitch, one double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4, 5. Repeat. Aisha, make 1, 2 chains, go to top of these double crochet stitches, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. We have 2 single crochet in top of these double crochet stitches. Add 2 chains and repeat like this stitch for this stitch. We make 2 clusters, 1 V stitch and make 2 chains between these clusters. Continue, repeat like this for next stitches. I made until here. In here make 2 chains. In first stitch we have 1 single crochet. Go to top of this single crochet, a slip stitch.